use the Minipresso GR, a step-by-step guide. The first step is to pull the cup from the top of the Minipresso. Next, unscrew the portafilter. Then remove the filter basket from the Minipresso and using the included scoop, add 8 grams of finely ground coffee. Lightly tamp the coffee in the filter basket using the bottom of the scoop as a tamp. Place the filter basket into the Minipresso. Screw on the portafilter. Next, unscrew the water tank and add hot boiling water up to the line. Screw on the water tank. Unlock the piston by twisting it counterclockwise. Pump the Minipresso to extract the espresso. Enjoy.
But if you've ever tried to order it from a coffee shop, it can be pretty pricey. And that's why a nitro coffee maker for the home is an ingenious idea. The Brew Nitro Coffee Keg allows you to make batch after batch of fresh nitro coffee right out of your home. The Brew Nitro Coffee Keg is the best-selling nitro coffee maker for the home. And it's no wonder why. It's so easy to use. Simply go to your local store and buy cold brew, or make it yourself to save even more money. Then, fill up the keg 48 ounces. Although it's a 64 ounce keg, you'd have to leave room for the nitrogen or nitrous oxide gas to form. Then, after you've filled up the keg to the proper level, you're going to want to use either 2 nitrogen cartridges or 1 nitrous oxide cartridge. After you put the desired amount of cartridges in, you simply shake the keg well for 15 to 20 seconds, up and down and side to side. Place it in your refrigerator for at least 1 hour. Now you're all ready to enjoy pour after pour of rich, foamy nitro brew coffee. If you have any questions on the Brew Nitro Coffee Keg, simply ask us below. If you're ready to order, check the link in the description. Thank you for watching.
A perfect cup of coffee can mean something different to each person. For us at Touch, it means brewing hot, strong, big coffee shop quality coffee with the push of 1 button. It also means flexibility. The Touch brewer can customize the coffee flavor by adjusting the water temperature and the brew time. One touch of the mild, medium, or bold strength buttons sets the system to brew the perfect cup just for you. There are so many choices in the beverage capsule today, but no worries. Our brewers will work with the standard K-Cups. The Touch system also incorporates the latest flash heating technology. This delivers 3 significant improvements over the competition. First, Touch Brewers starts brewing within 20 seconds of being powered on, so you don't have to wait for your perfect cup of coffee in the morning. Second, the flash heating technology saves power. It only consumes power when it is brewing. Other brewing systems, because the heater tank is always on, it's on 24/7. And third, it heats the water to an ideal brewing temperature of 200 degrees, which is hotter than the leading competitor's water temperature. That extra heat is needed to extract all the bold flavors from the coffee beans from the richest, most full-bodied coffee. At Touch, we also completely reinvented the coffee capsule. In order to brew a stronger, bolder cup of coffee, you need more coffee. Touch's extra bold and extra large cups hold up to 30% more coffee than the standard K-cup pods and are engineered to fully extract coffee flavor and aromas. With the ability to select brewing cup sizes from 6 ounces all the way up to 26 ounces, you can even brew a travel mug size without sacrificing taste. And with the carafe option, you can easily and economically brew enough coffee for the whole family using your own favorite coffee beans. The Touch brewing system really is the next generation in single-serve coffee brewing. If you want to brew the perfect cup of coffee just the way you like it, the Touch Brewer is the perfect choice.